Hey, thanks for stopping by. Listen, what we got today is, it's going to be real easy. It's a stir fry. Somebody asked for a stir fry, so I figured let me do a stir fry. But the key to a stir fry is in the prep. I'm going to use a wok. You certainly don't need a wok. You can just use a regular frying pan. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a pork and vegetable. Bell pepper, broccoli, carrots. Yeah, so hope you enjoy. So what we have, we've got about a pound of pork. We got to cut thin into strips, and we're going to marinate that. Cornstarch, baking soda. Baking soda helps tenderize the meat. We got about a tablespoon of Chinese Black Vinegar. Here we have about a tablespoon of Shaoxing Chinese cooking wine. We're going to use some white pepper. We have a couple cloves of garlic, broccoli. These are small bell peppers that come in a variety pack, but they're sweet. You can use a regular green if you want. I just wanted the color. Carrots. Hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce, if you don't know, it's a very distinct sweet sauce that you'll notice in Chinese cooking. Again, the pork. We have some soy sauce. We have some mushroom and some scallions. With your ginger, just take a spoon, run it across the skin, and the skin comes off. It comes off real easy, and that's pretty much it. And then we just chop it up really fine. Okay, first thing you want to do is put a little bit of garlic in the meat, your cooking wine, your black vinegar, your soy sauce, and you want to mix that up. Put a pinch of your ginger in there, your hoisin sauce, about a teaspoon of your white pepper, your baking powder, I'm sorry, that's baking soda, and your cornstarch. Now you'll notice I cut everything, and I said earlier that the key to a stir fry is in the prep. You want to cut everything around the same size so they cook at the same pace. Or for those like the carrots and the broccoli that might take longer, those are going to go in first. Let them cook down, then you follow by the peppers, and then lastly you would add the scallion and the mushrooms. You also want to drizzle some of that sesame seed oil. And mix it up. Sesame seed oil is, it's taken me quite a few years to really come to appreciate it. Okay, so this is going to marinate. You want to heat your wok until it starts to smoke, and then put your oil in it. Alright, it's starting to smoke. Put my oil in. Let that oil heat up a little bit, and then we're going to put our meat in first. We're going to stir fry our meat, then we're going to take it out, then we're going to do our vegetables, then we're going to put everything together, and then it'll be done. So what stinks about a glass top stove is the temperature dropped, and now it's got to come back up. Add a little bit more ginger, a little bit more garlic. Now at this point, this is mostly cooked. You want to taste it for seasoning. Add a touch more hoisin. Now a little bit more. Let's start with broccoli, carrots, from here on in, I'm winging it. Sorry. Garlic. The rest of that. The rest of that ginger went in. I'm going to put a little bit more black vinegar. With a soy sauce. That meat's going back in. Mushrooms. Now the onions, and once I put the onions in, it's almost done. And I don't want to put these onions down too much. that's it. Take it off the heat. There you have it. Put it over some rice. I put some sesame seeds on it. Okay, so it didn't exactly go how I planned. The bottom line is, make sure everything is cut about the same size. Cook those things that might take longer, such as broccoli and carrots. Cook those first. Throw the other stuff in after. Just have fun with it. You don't need a wok. You know, use a regular old frying pan. Use chicken if you don't want to use pork. Substitute, you know, if you can't find ingredients because you don't have Asian market or something by you, you know, improvise. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. I hope you try this and come back again.